This is Unit 1, subsection the exploitation trade-off. Finally, before looking at the different methods to solve reinforcement learning problems, we must cover one more very important topic, the exploration/exploitation trade-off. Exploration is exploring the environment by trying random actions in order to find more information about the environment. Exploitation is exploiting known information to maximize the reward. Remember, the goal of our RL agent is to maximize the expected cumulative reward. However, we can fall into a common trap. Let's take an example. In this game, our mouse can have an infinite amount of small cheese, plus 1 each, but at the top of the maze there's a gigantic sum of cheese, plus 1,000. However, if we only focus on exploitation, our agent will never reach the gigantic sum of cheese. Instead, it will only exploit the nearest source of rewards, even if this source is small, exploitation. But if our agent does a little bit of exploration, it can discover the big reward, the big pile of cheese. This is what we call the exploration/exploitation trade-off. We need to balance how much we explore the environment and how much we exploit what we know about the environment. Therefore, we must define a rule that helps handle this trade-off. We'll see the different ways to handle it in future units. But if it's still confusing, think of a real problem, the choice of picking a restaurant. Here there's a usual place and a grand opening. Exploitation. You go every day to the same one that you know is good and take the risk to miss another better restaurant. Versus exploration. Try new restaurants you never went to before with the risk of having a bad experience, but the probable opportunity of a fantastic experience, right? How much of a risk taker do you want to be? So to recap, there's an exploration trade-off, right? This is a measure of risk. How much risk do you want to take in order to get a bigger payout, right? And in these RL problems, you get to choose the risk, right? This is your agent and you get to choose what you want to do with your agent.